Follow this with your eyes, okay?
It happens every day.
Look at your feet, count your steps out loud, keep your hands at your side, and don't stop once you started. Do you understand?
Drivers arrested for driving under the influence of drugs.
We see body trimmers, eyelid trimmers.
Marijuana found in their systems.
We don't want people driving on the road if they've been using drugs, period.
But not all drugs are illegal. Drugs that are prescribed by a doctor, like Ambien, for instance, can be in your system while you're driving. But an appeals court decided last year medical marijuana doesn't count. It's not a prescribed drug, according to Maricopa County Attorney Bill Montgomery. It's recommended by a doctor.
If you, in fact, have a condition that qualifies you for medical marijuana, that you otherwise would receive a doctor's prescription for a drug to help deal with, say, chronic pain or something related to it, that prescription is going to tell you not to operate heavy machinery.
But he says that's not how it works with marijuana.
So you smoke as much as you want, see if you get the effect.
But DUI defense attorney Craig Rosenstein says not everyone with any THC in their system is intoxicated, especially when it comes to medical marijuana patients who use the drug for legitimate reasons.
They are not impaired at all. They're not groggy, they don't have any slowed reaction time, they're perfectly fine.
But he says after that appeals court decision, his clients are no longer allowed to use that medical marijuana card as part of their defense when they're charged with DUI drugs.
Jurors are not even made aware that the individual has a medical marijuana card.
A decision he says is fundamentally unfair.
So they think you're just a recreational smoker.
The state Supreme Court is set to review that decision this year, and Rosenstein hopes they'll make a change.
It's a frustrating scenario to be in right now. It doesn't make any sense.
Now, neither a medical marijuana card nor a prescription are defenses for charges of driving while impaired. And both Montgomery and Rosenstein do agree on one thing. All of these legal challenges could have been avoided if this law had gone through the legislature instead of being pushed through by voters. I'm investigator Lauren Gilger, ABC 15 News.